I know I look greasy, but it's just cocoa butter.
Oh.
It'll soak in
You
eventually.
look greasy. You look.
My face.
You're glowing.
I look supple.
This is what we call glow nowadays.
It's
When
supple.
Your face is like, yeah.
Indy, about to go on a boat for the first time in your life. We got a life jacket for Indy baby. Okay.
Life jacket for that boat?
We gotta go. Yeah, we got life jackets for it. Well, I don't. It's on the boat.
Because I will sink in deep water.
I reject it. In Jesus' name. I think it's her eyes a little close because of the sun. Personally, you see on the boat. Like, look at the boat is looking like in a movie.
Okay, Indy. First baptism by fire. Okay, the first round. It's okay. This is just, it's just so like foreign to her. Look at you, water baby. Water baby, having fun.
I think I want to carry her over.
Hi, water baby. Hi, water baby.
And first time parking.
Good job. Good job parking. You made it here.
There, you go.
Hi. Hi, mommy. Strap is scooping.
No.
We're mini golfing. Baby toes. Indy baby toes. We're golfing. What Indy baby toes would be?
Yeah, like the pose.
Oh,
Now watch how the winner does it.
okay.
That's how we go. Okay? You do like this. And then you hit it very slow.
Indy baby's dock is wobbly. You gotta be careful. So I don't loop on one me. Throw my baby in the water. Indy say cheese. This is our 5th annual Brainard trip. This is Indy's first trip. How do you feel out here in Brainard stunting on them? Last time we were here, I was pregnant. I was 4 months before I delivered. So we've been chilling, doing a couple boat rides and, you know, showing Indy where her people are from.
Boat rides, jet skiing. Fatherhood is everything. everyone tells you, but you never really are prepared for it until you go through it. Like no sleep, like, you know, feeling unconditional love for your child, you know, all that stuff. It's all good, it's all great. But she's sleeping good up here, so you might have to move to the cabin.
I don't know about all that, but Indy, don't take off your sunshade. The sun is in your face. Parenthood is a wild ride. I got really beefy left arm right now. I'm holding an nearly 20-pound baby up often. Indy and Daddy. Yeah, I don't know. But here we are. It's gorgeous out here. There's Bowden. There's one for our traditional dock talk. Is that a bald eagle?
No, it's like a, maybe. It's getting chased by some small bird.
I was back out here the other day. I wasn't paying attention because I was listening to a YouTube video. Listening, not watching. And then I backed into that tree over there, the last one. So now I got a dent. Now my car is no longer pristine. Oh, it's windy. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Today is July 1st, 2024. This is my 5th time in Brainard with Matt, so that's pretty cool. It is Indy Baby's first time in Brainard with Mommy and Daddy. We just got back from mini golf. Do you want to say anything to the people? Uh-oh. Are you taking a poo-poo? Say hi. Say hi, friends. Say hi. Say, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and tell us, what do you like to do for 4th of July? I came here first in 2020 over COVID with Matt and his sister and them. And now it's 2024. I got a kid, I'm somebody's mother. And I have so many thoughts and feelings about who I am, what has happened to me, what I have done in the world. I have so many thoughts and feelings, and I want to do better at, again, capturing all this stuff. 5 years ago, in like 2019, if you had told me this is where I was going to be in 2024, I wouldn't really have believed it based on where I was at the time. But now here I am. I'm tired a lot, and my body is busted. Am I saying anything worthwhile to you? How's your life been the last not even 6 months, it's 7 months. You turned 7 months old yesterday. How do you feel? How do you feel? Okay, I suppose, yeah. You got cute toesies. You got cute baby toesies. Say bye. Okay, let's go. We're about to do go-karts, and I'm a little bit nervous for my life. How do you feel about go-karts?
Awakens the adrenaline in me.
How do you feel about go-karts?
Excited.
finally repacked everything. I'm about to leave Brainard. Everybody had a joyous occasion. We did it, Indy!
We did it.
We did it!
Yay.
Bowden has been stressed this whole morning.
Except for Sean.
Yeah. He's like, what's going on?
Yay.